Paano maglagay ng transition gamit ang CapCut? Part 5 na tayo ng ating beginner series. Tara, gawin na natin yan. So meron na tayong naka-import na clips dito at makikita mo yung white eme na yan dyan in between the clips. So tap mo yan at lalabas ang mga presets transitions. Maraming mga available transitions but with this example, gagamitin natin itong inhale under the camera. Then, click mo yan. Then adjust the speed, depende sa preference mo. Here you have an option to apply the transition to all clips by tapping this. Then, tap tick. So here's before. And here's after. Okay, bye. Oops. Teka lang. Huwag ganong gumamit ng fancy transition, pero dahil transition tutorial ito, kaya shinare ko na rin sa inyo kung paano gawin. Yun lang. Okay, bye ulit.